Welcome to our channel. If you want to clear temporary files on your Mac to free up storage space and improve performance, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Click on the Finder icon in your dock to open a Finder window. Make sure you can see the menu bar at the top of your screen. Step 2. In the Finder menu bar, click on Go, and then select Go to Folder from the drop-down menu. This allows you to navigate to hidden system folders. Step 3. Type or paste this path: home folder / library / caches, and press enter. This opens the caches folder where temporary files from your applications are stored. Step 4. Review the folders inside the caches directory. Each folder typically corresponds to an application or system service. Look for large folders that are consuming significant space. Step 5. Select the cache folders you want to delete. You can click on individual folders while holding Command to select multiple folders at once. Step 6. Drag the selected folders to the trash, or right-click and choose Move to Trash. It's safe to delete these files as applications will recreate cache folders when needed. Step 7. Next, navigate to /library / caches, without the tilde, using the same Go to Folder method. This contains system-wide cache files. Be more cautious here and only delete folders you recognize from applications you use. Step 8. Finally, empty your trash by right-clicking the trash icon in your dock and selecting Empty Trash. This permanently deletes the files and frees up your storage space. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.